Welders should learn how to utilize what they have. Utilize your space. Utilize your equipment. Utilize the tools and the things that you have laying around that you thought wasn't valuable, and learn how to build the most um, out of the scraps that's laying around, out of the spare pieces and parts. And then you can be able to take your ideas to another level, because you'll have money freed up to do other things before spending money and buying things that you don't need because you didn't do the necessary homework to say, hey, you don't need to do this, you need to do that. But now you didn't spend 2-3 thousand in, and now you're trying to get that back, and now you're thinking about giving up. But all you need to do is spend another 1,000 here. But you're trying to figure this out. I get it, man. Being independent is a struggle. Um, you have to wing it sometimes, literally. Like, you got to find where you fit at, but you got to keep knocking on the door, and you know what's in your heart. Your greatest asset is your welding abilities, and it can cross over to many different fields and help many different people. So all you have to do is key in to what you really enjoy doing. Building parts. Like, I'm doing some fabrication right now. I'm coming up with different ideas, and I lay things out, and I think of ideas, and I come back to the drawing board, and I just utilize what I got. I made this toolbox fab shop little deal to utilize space. When I'm around messing with it, I could actually set everything up. I could fabricate some stuff. I can, modify a few things, and then I can put it back up, and it looks like it's the same layout. You know what I mean? So I think it's very important to just utilize what you have, man. Utilize what you have. I can't say that enough, because we're in a day and time right now where every move got to be calculated. Like, you don't want to waste money. You don't want to waste time. You don't want to waste your energy in areas where you don't need to. So let's break that chain. Let's break that curse and start, reaching out. Find the information we need. Find out who got it. Read the books. Listen to the books online, or listen to the videos, or find the people that's moving in the direction that we trying to go in, and follow them. Inbox them. They got a course. They got something they pay. Do what we need to do, because it takes money to make money. So if we're going to break this curse and we're going to get ourselves in a good position, we just got to be patient and learn how to spend our money. It don't take a lot, but it do take some. And we just got to learn that and utilize what we have, and we can actually get to that next level. And to me, I think that's going to be a big thing that's going to take your business to the next level. Being independent, getting started, getting everything going. It's just learning how to utilize what you have. Hold on.